Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a simple LED-based DC voltage indicator designed for a 12-volt DC system. This circuit uses 4 green LEDs and 4 220-ohm resistors to visually indicate voltage levels. The goal of this circuit is not high-precision measurement, but fast and intuitive voltage estimation. A typical green LED has a forward voltage, VF, of approximately 2.0 to 2.2 volts. When LEDs are connected in series, their forward voltages add together. VLED total is equal to VLED1 plus VLED2 plus VLED3 plus VLED4. Assuming each LED has a forward voltage of 2.1 volts, VLED total is equal to 4 times 2.1 volts is equal to 8.4 volts. The remaining voltage drops across the resistors. VR is equal to Vin minus VLED total. At a 12-volt input, VR is equal to 12 volts minus 8.4 volts is equal to 3.6 volts. The resistors limit the current according to Ohm's law. Ohm's law. I is equal to V over R. Substituting the values, I is equal to VR over R. I is equal to 3.6 volts divided by 220 ohms, and that's approximately 0.016 amperes. I is approximately 16 milliamps. However, this circuit has no overvoltage protection. If the input voltage exceeds 12 volts, the LEDs and resistors may be damaged. This indicator must only be used within its designed voltage range. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical electronics projects. Thanks for watching.